What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Amanda Bakes. So today the videos are going to be fairly short comparatively. Today we're making homemade Sonic. I don't know about you guys, but I love Sonic and I'd go there all the time if I could. And my favorite drink is the cherry limeade from Sonic. And so today we're going to be making that from home with our ingredients. So let's get started. So today we actually have two different recipes that we're going to be making. I found both these recipes and I was going to try both of them out, and I have a panel of 3 judges consisting of my siblings that are going to be trying them, and they're going to vote. But of course you can have your own that you prefer if you want. Before we get started, go down and like this video and subscribe to my channel to get all my awesome food making videos. Alright, so our first recipe. I've got a cup here to make it in. And the first thing that we need is 1 cup 7-Up or Sprite, like some kind of lemon lime soda. And I actually have, instead, to use Lime Bubbly. If I can get it out of the box, right here. So we're gonna use 1 can of that. I also have maraschino cherries. We're gonna need 2 cherries, and then we need 2 tablespoons of the maraschino syrup. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open this. Okay, so I got our maraschino cherries opened. And we're going to put 2 of them in the bottom of the cup. And then 1/4 of a lime. So I've got my limes right here. I'm going to cut it into 4ths. Okay, so here I've got my lime. And I'm just going to go ahead and cut it into 4ths. So here it's in half. I'm going to cut it each side in half again. And once you get it cut far enough, you can just kind of pull it apart. So I'm going to use this as my 1/4 of a lime. And I'm going to put that in the bottom of the cup. Then we're going to add some ice. So I've got a tall glass of ice here to use for both of my recipes. So I'm just going to add in a little bit of ice and then the can of Lime Bubbly. So here's my can of Lime Bubbly I'm adding in. The next thing I'm going to add in is 2 tablespoons of the syrup from the maraschino cherries jar. So I've got my tablespoon right here. I'm just going to scoop out some of the syrup from the cherry jar and add that in. And then the last thing is the other 1/4 of the lime you get, and you're going to squeeze the juice from it into the cup. So just kind of fold it in half and squeeze it so you can get all the juice out of the lime into the cup. Okay, so we squeezed all the juice out, and then we're going to mix it up. Alright, so that's looking pretty good. I'm going to set that to the side, and we're going to make our other recipe, and then we're going to come back with the panel of judges. Okay, so our next recipe is very similar. The first thing that we're going to need is 1/2 a lime. So the other half I didn't cut in half, and I'm going to go ahead and squeeze that into the bottom of the glass. And get all the juice out of that 1/2 of the lime. Alright, so there's our half of the lime in the bottom of the glass. And then we're going to get crushed ice and fill the glass with the rest of the crushed ice I have. Next is cherry juice. The same maraschino cherry juice we used last time, but this time we need 3 tablespoons of it. We're going to pour that over the ice. Okay, and then we need our other can of bubbly. And we're going to pour in about half the can. And that's it. This recipe is really simple. We're going to stir it together. Mix around all the cherry and lime. And then I'm going to get another lime wedge and cut this one in half. Okay, so my lime wedge here, I'm going to add it to the bottom of the cup as a garnish to bring out a little more lime flavor, and mix it all up again. Okay, now we'll come back with the panel of judges. Okay, here we've got our 3 judges. Judge 1 in the middle, Judge 2 on the left, Judge 3 on the right.
Lieutenant Teeth.
So, now we've got our first drink. We're going to mix it back up so that nothing's settled. And the first drink will be tried in the blue cups. First drink. Second. Third. And then, of course, I'm going to pour some for myself. Okay. All right, Judge 1, take it away.
You can definitely taste the lime bubbly.
Judge 2. A little on the sour side. So the main ingredient is lime bubbly. So if you guys want, you can add more cherry to balance it out, or of course use a different lemon lime soda like 7-Up or Sprite. Judge 3.
Sour.
All right. So the verdict on this first one.
Funny.
The verdict on this first one is that it's on a little on the sour side. So we might want to add some more cherry in for when you're making it at home to balance it out. Now on to drink 2. All right, now on to drink 3, which I have just stirred. And we're going to use the green cups for this one. All right. So now for our second drink, Judge 1.
Crikey, that's amazing.
Judge 2.
It tastes a lot like the cherry lime made at Shonik.
Judge 3.
So good.
So good. Okay, so the main verdict has been that the first one was really sour and that the second one was really good. So I'll link the recipes down below so that you can try this yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video and thought that the judge panel we did was fun. If you liked that, then let me know and I can do more of like the trying out different recipes and comparing them in my future videos. So go down and like this video and subscribe to my channel to get all my food making videos. And for this recipe, we did do lime bubbly for our lemon lime soda, and that doesn't have a like any lemon in it. So you can either get like a lemon and squirt some lemon juice in it, or you can use Sprite or 7-Up instead. Those were the ones that were listed on the recipes. If you want it to taste a little less limey. My social media account is also linked down below. So go check that out. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you Saturday.